Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And as you've probably seen from the title, I'm finally going to be trying Ecostyle's Professional Styling Gel. It's the Super Olive 10X Moisturizing Gel, and this is what it looks like. And this says that it has a max hold of 10, it's alcohol free, it's for all hair types, and it says that it repairs, conditions, defines, moisturizes, smooths, and shines. So I was going to use a leave-in conditioner with this gel. I did a mix test with Mish's Lavish Leave-In Conditioner and a little bit of the Ecostyle gel here, and then when I mixed it around in my hand, it kind of got clumpy, thick sorta, and it didn't really seem like it was going to mix that well, and I didn't want to go ahead and put it on my hair. So I decided not to actually use a leave-in since it claims to be 10 times the moisturizing gel. So I guess I'm just going to go ahead and put that to the test. So I've already shampooed and deep conditioned my hair. To shampoo, I used the Cleansed Moisturizing and Cleansing Sulfate-Free Shampoo by Mish. And I used the Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner made with raw honey and babassu oil by Mish as well. So I am just going to go ahead and take my hair down. Like I said, I do not have any leave-in or any product in my hair because I am wanting to see how the gel will work on its own. So it has the little flip top to it right here, and this is what it looks like. And it smells just like a man's cologne. It smells really good. It's not that strong, but it is, you know, an apparent smell. Let's see, this is the consistency right here. It feels really smooth. It's not tacky or anything. Well, maybe just a little. Not too much though. So yeah, I am going to go ahead and section my hair off and start in the back like I always do and work my way up to the front. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this much here first and start applying it. And as I am putting it on my hair, doesn't really seem like it has much slip right away. That's what my hair is looking like so far. Go ahead and add a little bit more. There's a little bit more slip once I add more, but as you can see, my curls are really clumping together, almost as if you kind of want to shingle a little bit. And I think I may go ahead and kind of shingle some. I'm finally done applying this gel to my hair, and as you probably saw, I did have to spray my hair with some water just to get it wet enough so that I could apply the gel easier. And I used this brush as well to get the tangles out of my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like now. My hair looks super duper shiny and defined. So I'm just going to let my hair air dry, and I'll be back once my hair is dry so that you guys can see what my results are looking. Okay, so it's the next day and this is what my hair is looking like. I am super impressed with the way that this gel is working for my hair. My curls are super duper defined. The shine is absolutely there. I will say that in some spots I do have some crunch still, but I'm not really worried about that because that just lets me know that I will definitely get a good number of days out of this wash and go. I really do believe that this is a max hold of 10. To say that I've only used this gel on my hair does not feel dry or anything at this point. I'll definitely have to tell that as the days go on. But so far so good. This gel is really awesome. I remember using the original olive oil gel like in the beginning, like a couple of years ago, but so I'm not really sure like how to compare that gel to this gel, only because, you know, I haven't used it in a while. But I can truly say that this Super Olive 10 times the moisturizing gel is pretty good. So far so good. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this wash and go. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.